Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so first of all switch to the video one, just tap on it, and here in the right upper corner we've got the options which are connected with the resolution. We can change it quickly just by tapping on it, so from 1080p we've just applied 720p. However, if you feel that this option is not the most comfortable for you, simply tap on this arrow, and as you can see here we've got the resolution, so let's tap on it, and here we've got both options. We can quickly change them just by tapping on the specific one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.